Hi, Tin. Ayan, nag-prepare tayo ng lunch. Tinataang kalabasa and sitaw. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. We'll try Coco Mama para sa gata niya. And patis para sa taste. Ayan, ginisa na natin yung chicken and sibuyas, bawang. Ayan, nagisa siya. We're just pinapalambot natin yung chicken natin. Ayan. Bago natin ilagay ang ating kalabasa para mag-soften. I think we hope you are safe and healthy. Anyway, ayan, nagwa-watch tayo ng mga scrapbooking, mga doodling, sketchpad, yan, items or activities. Lord, thank you for keeping us safe and healthy. So, Lord, wag mo po kaming pabayaan. Lagi mo po kami keep safe and healthy. Especially si Kate and team who are in Abu Dhabi. Wag mo po silang pabayaan and always take care of them. Stay safe. God bless us all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.